If you're planting out brassicas such as these cabbages for winter harvest, they will need protecting over the coming summer months. Both pigeons and cabbage white butterflies find them irresistible, and netting is the best answer. I use canes topped by small flower pots, which make it easier to stretch netting over the top. Make sure it's taut so small birds can't get tangled, and leave enough room for the plants to grow. This will keep pigeons away, but you will have to check daily for caterpillars. Whatever the weather, even if it's been wet, every container should be watered weekly at this time of year. They also need a regular feed, and I combine this operation by using a liquid seaweed or tomato feed, which will encourage good flowering. Give each container a good soak, and that will keep them looking good all summer long. Tomatoes are now beginning to set fruit. And to speed up and aid ripening, remove the lowest leaves so that the green fruit are fully exposed to maximum sun. And you can continue this process working up the plant as the fruit develop. And as well as helping ripening, it also aids ventilation, ensuring that you have maximum health right through the growing season.
There we go. Come on in.